New statistics from the CDC found that nearly 20% of adults and 37% of teens and children have seen mental health decline over the past 2 years. As part of Mental Health Awareness Month, Easterseals of Michigan has put together a Mental Health is Health campaign. And here to talk to us more about it is Denise Durkee, the director of Easterseals West Michigan. And Denise, I think when people think about Easterseals, many a times they're thinking about an association with children with disabilities. But you've moved beyond that as an organization to include behavioral health.
We sure have. When we were founded, you're exactly right, we were founded on helping children with disabilities. But as the needs in the community evolved, so did our services. And so we wanted to be there to help everybody and meet them with their needs.
I know, been around for 100 years. It's amazing to believe that you've been around for that long,
helping
people.
Isn't it great? Yeah, it's our goal to help people, so we'll find a way to do it.
And keep emerging and keep including new things. Now, Easterseals, very comprehensive tools that I've learned as of recently to help people with their mental health. And you've got a great resource guide. And when looking through it, what I thought was interesting was the fact that you also have the mental health resource guide with recipes.
We do. I mean, baking makes everybody happy. I know we found that during the pandemic, a lot of people started baking bread. So that's just we want to help bring happy.
Yeah, and that has been very popular. We've been sending that out to businesses to help support their mental health and the mental health of their employees as well. And I know that's been pretty successful.
It has been very successful. We wanted to get these in the hands of employers as their staff begin returning to work and give them the resources and guides to help their employees to help bring happy back into the workplace. In
addition to supporting employers, though, you've gone one step further and you have another tool yet. It's a self-assessment tool. And I looked through it and you have a dozen different ways for people to assess their mental health, from depression and anxiety, which we hear a lot about, but also a resource for parents to be able to take it for themselves to see whether or not their teens or their children might be struggling. And I think that these resources are really, really great.
They are amazing, and as you said, we have several resources on our website, including this mental health assessment, which offers a wide variety of assessments. You know, they could include eating disorders, gambling, substance abuse, or if you don't even know where to start, we have just a general assessment.
And in addition to that, it's only 2 minutes. And I think that's the key, is that you're giving someone something that they can do in a very short amount of time. It is personal and confidential, and you get the results immediately. I did one for myself.
Great.
And it just gives you an idea to see like where you're at, and a recommendation as to whether or not you might need something more. Those 2 minutes can really be life-saving.
Certainly, we call it checkup from the neck up, because mental health is every bit as important as your physical health. So we encourage everybody to go to our website and take these screenings. And then, as you said, we do provide you with local and national resources to help.
And I think that's the key, is that you do have that extra step there for people to use should they need it when they're going forward after they see these assessments. And once again, we do have a link on our website. I highly recommend anybody who might be interested in knowing whether or not they just need a checkup, or if they've got something, you know, beyond that they want to, like you said, gambling resources and so forth, just to see where you're at with this. And so mental health going to continue to be part of Easterseals.
Yes, of course it's going to be. It's a very important piece that we want to help people with, and so we want to let them know that this is just another important resource that we want to help the community with. So in addition to the screenings, we also have our 40-page resource guide too, that you talked about at the beginning, that has recipes, it's got healthy tips, it's got financial well-being. We just have all kinds of resources because we want to help you.
Yeah, I really was impressed with the website when I took a look at it. So thank you so much for taking time to talk with us about reminding people to check on their mental health. I have links to the screenings and more information on mental health at 13onyourside.com.